Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to your maths class. I hope you all are fine. Children, as we have started the new chapter fractions, so let us recall what we have done in the previous class. Fraction is a part of whole. The terms used in fractions are numerator and denominator. When we write the fraction, we write numerator upon denominator. Now here are some types of fractions which we have done in the previous class. Like fractions which are having the same denominators, as you can see here in this pair. 7 is the denominator in both the fractions, so this is a pair of like fraction. This is the group of also like fractions. Then unlike fractions which are having the different denominators, as you can see here. The denominator is 5, denominator is 3, so this is a pair of unlike fraction. This is a group of unlike fractions where all the denominators are different. Then it comes proper fractions, means the fractions where numerator is smaller than the denominator. Here you can see, here numerator is 7, denominator is 9. So 7 upon 9 is a proper fraction. In the same way, 2 upon 5, 1 upon 11. Every fraction in which the numerator is less than denominator is called the proper fraction. And dear children, always remember this proper fraction is always less than 1. ये जो प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है ये हमेशा 1 से छोटे होते हैं. देन इम्प्रॉपर fractions where numerator is greater than denominator. You can see the example. Here 9, here 7. 9 is greater than 7. This is improper fraction. 5 upon 2. 5 is greater than 2. This is also improper fraction. This is also improper fraction. And always remember that improper fraction is always greater than 1. जैसे प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन हमेशा 1 से छोटा होता है, दिस इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन 1. ये हमेशा 1 से बड़ा होता है. देन इट कम्स यूनिट फ्रैक्शंस विच आर हैविंग 1 इन द न्यूमरेटर. जहाँ पे भी आपको न्यूमरेटर में 1 दिखेगा, यू कॉल दैट फ्रैक्शन एज यूनिट फ्रैक्शन. Then it comes mixed numbers. It is the combination of natural number and proper fraction. Mixed number means here we will combine the natural number and the proper fraction. Proper fraction, I have told you, the fraction in which numerator is less than denominator. So here you can see 4 upon 5 is a proper fraction when I have combined it with 2. So it is a mixed number. So on the basis of these types of fractions, we will do our worksheet number 5. Question 1 is tick the set of like fractions. So first of all, you should know what are the like fractions. As I have told you that like fractions are those fractions which are having the same denominator. So here in this A part, denominators are different. So this is not a set of like fraction. Here all the denominators are same. So this is a set of like fraction and we will tick this one. C part, again all the denominators are not same. So this is also not a set of like fraction. Second, encircle all proper fractions. Again, first of all, you should know what are the proper fractions. Means the fractions where the numerator is less than denominator. जहाँ पे numerator denominator से छोटा होना चाहिए. So check all these fractions. 4 upon 3. 4 is greater than 3. This is not proper. तो इसको circle नहीं करेंगे. 8 upon 11. 8 is less than 11. 8 is the numerator. 11 is the denominator. 8 is less than 11. So it is a proper fraction. So we will circle it like this. In the same way, we'll check the other one. 7 upon 6. Again, 7 is greater than 6. Not a proper fraction. 7 upon 8. 7 is less than 8. So we will circle it. Then 10 upon 9. No. 9 upon 10. Yes. In this way, we will check all the fractions. Third one, encircle all improper fractions. Now improper fraction is the opposite of proper fraction. So here we will see where the numerator is greater than denominator. That is improper fraction. So look at the first one. It is improper. We will circle it. Then second one. No. Third one. Yes. In this way, check all the fractions and circle the improper fractions. Then question 4. Encircle the unit fractions. Unit fractions are those fractions in which the numerator is always 1. So circle all the fractions where you can see the numerator is 1. Now fill in the blanks. A fraction whose numerator is less than denominator is called, yes, you can see here the numerator is less than denominator and these are the proper fractions. So here we'll write proper fraction. Then in an improper fraction, the numerator will be dash than the denominator. Yes, in this blank we will write greater than the denominator. Then fraction whose numerator is 1 is called a dash fraction. See? Yes, unit fraction. Fraction whose numerator is equals to its denominator represents a number. Always remember the answer is 1. When in the fraction numerator and denominator both are same, then it always represents the number 1. A combination of natural number and a proper fraction is called, yes, mixed number. Then an improper fraction is dash then 1. I have just told you now an improper fraction is always greater than 1. So here we'll write greater. Then a proper fraction is dash less than 1. Always remember a proper fraction is always less than 1. So here we'll write less. Now come to the next question. Encircle the mixed numbers. Mixed numbers are those numbers which is a combination of natural number and a proper fraction. So see carefully. This is natural number 1 and this is proper fraction. So this is a mixed number. We will encircle it like this. Then next one, 3 upon 8. This is only proper fraction. Yes, this one is the mixed number. Now this one, this is improper fraction. This one, yes, this is again the mixed number having the combination of natural number and the proper fraction. So we will circle it. Last one is the proper fraction. Then which of the following can be written as mixed number? Now you have to remember we can write an improper fraction in a mixed number. Always remember we can write improper fraction as a mixed number. Okay, now see the A part. 5 upon 3. Here the numerator is greater than denominator. So this is an improper fraction. We can write this as a mixed number. So we will circle it. Next one, 7 upon 9 proper fraction. We cannot write. 11 upon 5 is an improper fraction. We can write it as a mixed number. And how to write it as a mixed number, we will learn it in the next class. Okay. 24 upon 9. Again, we can write it as a mixed number. 6 upon 6. Here both are same. So it cannot be written as a mixed number. This also cannot be written. This one, yes, we can write it because this is an improper fraction. We'll circle it out, and the same way the last one. Okay. So children, that's all for today. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.